How to make a stop motion animation using your phone, a coffee mug, and a pair of socks. First of all, you'll need a large coffee mug that's big enough for your phone to fit inside, and a pair of socks. This will act as your tripod. Unpair the socks and fit them snugly inside your coffee mug. Nestle your phone and the socks inside the mug, making sure your phone camera is above the rim of the mug so the mug doesn't show in your shots for your stop motion animation. I'm sure you could get your horizon, which is the line where the orange notebook meets the white wall, straighter than I have, but this is just a quick demonstration of how to do stop motion animation on your phone and using a coffee mug tripod. Put your dragon in its starting position. You might even want a photo without it in to begin with, and then the dragon could appear in the next photo. Move your dragon a tiny bit each time and take a photo of it, then move it to the next position and take another photo, and repeat until you've completed the movement you want the dragon to make. Make sure your hand is not in the photo before you take it. As you're moving the dragon before taking the photo, your phone camera might have trouble focusing on the dragon. If that's the case, tap your phone screen each time before taking the photo to refocus, as I'm doing here. When you've completed the movement you want your dragon to make and taken all the photos, you can move on to turning them into an animation. Go into Google Photos, click the plus sign top right. Select Animation. Select your photos in the order you took them. Select Create. It will make the photos into a stop motion animation for you.